Mopungchuket is an ethnic Naga village and it is the most visible rural tourism destination in Mokokchung district of Nagaland state. Tourism has opened avenues for sustainable livelihood income generation for the village community, and it has also helped in the preservation of our indigenous cultural heritage and our conservation efforts. Mopungchuket is a plastic-free village, and we are now working to make Mopungchuket the first zero-waste village in Nagaland state. Our tourism has been hit hard by the pandemic, but we are now slowly reopening and we are reorienting ourselves to seize the opportunities of the post-pandemic era. The pandemic has reinforced our belief in the idea of sustainable community development through responsible tourism.